If you're serious about woodworking, there's one name you can always trust: Kreg. In 2025, Kreg has redefined precision, making joinery, drilling, and setup easier than ever. These 12 new tools are pure innovation, practical, powerful, and built for makers who demand perfection. Let's check them out. Number 1, Kreg K4 Pocket Hole Jig, the classic that never quits. The K4 makes building strong, accurate joints unbelievably easy, with adjustable guide for 1/2 inch to 1/2 materials. Perfect for cabinetry, furniture, and framing. Your projects come together tighter than ever. Built with heavy-duty materials and rock-solid stability, this jig guarantees pro results that last for years. Number 2, Kreg Cabinet Hardware Jig. Installing cabinet hardware has never been simpler. This precision drilling jig keeps your holes perfectly aligned every time. Its movable edge guide locks in accuracy, saving you time and frustration. Whether you're remodeling a kitchen or building from scratch, this jig gives your cabinets that flawless, factory-finished look. Number 3, Kreg Drawer Slide Jig, KHI-Slide. Get smooth, professional drawer installs. No measuring, no guesswork. The KHI-Slide positions your slides exactly where they belong. It holds steady while you drill, ensuring perfect spacing and motion. Even first-time builders can install drawers with total precision and confidence. Number 4, Kreg Dust Separator. Keep your shop clean and your vac powerful. The dust separator traps sawdust before it ever reaches your filter. You'll notice stronger suction, cleaner air, and fewer clogs in every project. It's lightweight, durable, and works with almost any vacuum system. A must for every serious workshop. Number 5, Kreg Portable Drilling Guide. Precision drilling anywhere you go. This portable guide features 6 hardened sleeves for perfect angles and accuracy. From shelves to joints, every hole lines up exactly as you planned. It's small, rugged, and built to give drill press accuracy right in your hands. No bench required. Number 6, Kreg Quick Flip, KDRV-FLIP. Drill and drive in seconds without changing bits. The Quick Flip combines 2 tools into one powerful time saver. Switch between drilling and driving with one simple motion. Fast, clean, and efficient. Whether you're building cabinets or framing projects, this tool keeps your workflow smooth and frustration-free. Number 7, Kreg Pocket Hole Jig 320 plus 2-inch face clamp. Compact but mighty. The Pocket Hole Jig 320 delivers pro results on any project. The included face clamp locks your boards in perfect alignment for tight, clean joints. From furniture repairs to large builds, it's designed for reliability, portability, and perfect pocket holes every single time. Number 8, Kreg 3-inch Wood Project Clamp, KHI-3 Automaxx. Clamp smarter with automatic adjustment. The Automaxx system adapts instantly to different material thicknesses. You'll get consistent pressure and rock-solid holds without manual setup. Ideal for repeat builds, gluing, and assembly. This clamp keeps your work steady while you stay productive. Number 9, Kreg Panel Carrier. Say goodbye to awkward plywood lifting. The panel carrier gives you a solid, ergonomic grip to carry large sheets easily. No back strain, no pinched fingers, just smooth balance control. It's one of those simple tools that completely changes how you handle materials in the shop or on-site. Number 10, Kreg Precision Router Lift, PRS 5000. Upgrade your router table with next-level precision. The PRS 5000 delivers micrometer-level height adjustments with zero wobble. Every pass is clean, accurate, and repeatable, no matter the material. Built for professionals, it gives you total control over depth and finish, transforming your setup into a true precision system. Number 11, Kreg MortiseMate Loose Tenon Jig. Professional joinery made easy. The MortiseMate helps you create perfect mortises for strong, accurate tenon joints. Setup is quick, and every cut is clean and consistent. It's perfect for chairs, doors, and furniture where strength and precision truly matter. A must-have for fine woodworkers. Number 12, Kreg Precision Trak and Stops Kit, KMS 8000. When repeat accuracy is everything, this is the tool you trust. The Precision Trak and Stop system uses laser-engraved scales and sliding stops for perfect repeat cuts. Ideal for miter saws or crosscut stations, it boosts speed, consistency, and the professional finish every builder wants.